All right, so I'm super excited about today. We're going down to Empire, Louisiana. We're gonna meet up with my buddy, Matthew Slavich. He runs Slavich Seafood down there. He's gonna take us out on an oyster boat and show us how they harvest oysters, which is awesome because honestly, I have no idea how they do it. I can't wait to see. We're gonna get some oysters. We're gonna come back up to Baton Rouge, meet up with Grill Master Randy, throw him on his Primo. He's got an amazing recipe planned out, so let's do it. I'll just cut straight to it. How do you harvest oysters?
Well, we harvest oysters with an oyster dredge, or now it's known as a scraper.
Okay.
Basically, it's a rake that scrapes the top of the bed, and behind it is a bag that actually catches the oysters. And we winch them up onto a table, sort through them, push back immature oysters and different materials, and only marketable oysters go into a sack and then end up on a truck heading out of state or to local restaurant customers that I have.
Thanks, man.
Blaine, what's up?
What's going on, Randy? How you doing, man?
What you got, dude?
Nice to see you, bro. I got you some crab meat, jumbo lump, some French bread, just like you asked.
Perfect.
Excited about these oysters.
Hey, you want to help me shuck them?
Absolutely.
Oh yeah, I found that sweet spot there.
There you go. Yeah, you get a little rhythm going.
Just kind of just pull them out there. We got. Usually they'll be stuck right here to that little membrane. So we just kind of scrape that and leave it in the shell so that you can just slide it right into your mouth there.
Tell me through what we're going to be doing today with these oysters.
So with these beautiful bad boys, man, we're going to grill them up on my Primo. And what I did is I made a tequila, cilantro, and lime compound butter last night. Look, smell that.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, so that's unsalted butter with a little tequila. Some serrano peppers, some lime, and garlic.
It smells amazing.
Cilantro. It's gonna make these things taste just as fresh as they actually are. With a little fontina cheese and breadcrumb mixture for a good little texture.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. However, let's taste them how they should be.
Oh, that sounds perfect.
All right, man. Hey, cheers.
Cheers. Man.
Dude, you could taste the salt.
Now, how long are we gonna be cooking these for?
Blaine, I don't really go for a time frame here. I know that I'm looking for about 400 degrees or so. I want to get them some high heat and stuff like that, just to get them char grilled and cooking quickly.
Right, man. And that's interesting because you think about these big Kamado style cookers and you think low and slow, ribs, brisket, pork butts, things like that. You don't necessarily think about like searing things or like char grilling oysters. Yeah. That's why I'm so I'm interested in your choice of this grill. But
well, look, Primo is awesome, and a lot of people don't really realize that you can do a lot of stuff with this. And the cool thing here is that I pretty much took these grates and inverted them so where the oysters are closer to the fire.
Right.
So we'll get a good quick heat on it and get them cooking quickly. We're not trying to slow smoke these or anything like that.
Right.
We just want them cooked, make sure that butter gets melted, and then get some good color on these things.
It's a pretty versatile grill, really.
It is.
Absolutely.
It really is. They're ready to come off, man.
All right. Thanks so much for making these, man. They look amazing.
My pleasure. Let's check it out.
Check it out, man.
Hey, cheers me.
Cheers.
Let's do it.
BBQ Guys has the outdoor cooking, heating and cooling, and furnishings you want. Visit us online at bbqguys.com.